How to delete Patreon account. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can delete Patreon account. To delete Patreon account is not impossible. Even if the option is not directly shown, there is always a way to go about it. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to go ahead and open up your Patreon account on your PC or mobile app, whichever one of your choice. So once it's opened, by the right side of the screen, the left side of the screen, you would see your, by the lower right side, by the lower left side of the screen, you would see your display name, and then you see three dots here. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, a menu will be displayed here showcasing creator resources, help center and flag, term of use, privacy policy. Go ahead and select privacy policy. Then once you've selected the privacy policy, you'll be redirected to another page entirely. On this page, you will see welcome to Patreon, information you provide, etc. And then by the top right corner of the screen, you will see make a privacy request. Okay, just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you will see you have controls to manage your privacy. Then you have to select what you want to do. I would like to erase. Yes, just click on I would like to erase my personal data from our system. Once you select it, it will load, and then you'll be directed to this page. On this page, ensure you click on allow. Once you click on allow, you'll be redirected to another page again. On this page, you would see we delete all personal data we have about you, this and that, etc. Just go ahead and click on confirm requests. Click on confirm requests. Once you click on confirm request and it has loaded, it will take 14 to 30 days for your account to be deleted completely. All right, so the request has been submitted, but just wait for 14 to 15 days before the account will be deleted automatically. This is to ensure that you were sure about the decision before you made it. So this is how to delete your Patreon account. Very simple, right? Yes. So go ahead and delete that account now. Thanks for watching.